Hi everyone. Yes, I'm dressed as a panda. This right here, some of you may recognise. If you don't, then I'd be very worried. Is planet Earth. And as far as planets go, it's a pretty awesome one. We all live here on this tiny little ball floating through space. But, and there's a very big but, our lovely planet here is going through a lot of environmental challenges at the moment, and it's all because of things that you and me and all the humans on planet Earth are doing to it. Now, I'm not going to pretend that I know all the facts and figures about this, and I'm not going to overload your brains with statistics that I find on Wikipedia, but in very basic terms, us puny little earthlings are over-consuming fossil fuels and non-renewable energy sources, and that's a bad thing. Not only because it's really hard to say, but because it means that one day our planet Earth here isn't going to be able to support life anymore. So, what can we do about it? Well, it just so happens that this Saturday, the 23rd of March, between 8:30 and 9:30 PM is something awesome called Earth Hour. Now, in that hour, people from over 7,000 cities and 152 countries are all switching off their lights to show their concern for the environment. Earth Hour is the biggest mass participation event in the world, and it's super easy to take part and get involved. All you need to do to take part is to turn your lights off. That's it. That's all you need to do. Switch your lights off from 8:30 PM this Saturday, the 23rd of March, and join the millions of people around the world who are going to be doing it in the dark. Me and all the McFly boys, we're all taking part. We're going to be doing it in the dark this Saturday, and we'd really love it if you did too. It sounds obvious, but we've only got one of these things, and it's really important that we take care of it. So turn your lights off and show your support for Earth Hour 2013.